Hi friends, my name is Debbie Abel and today we're going to be painting this cute Christmas card. It's like a border card. So let's jump in and get started. We're going to start off by using our brightest red that represents Christmas. So I'm using my Melian palette. You can use any red that you have at home. And I'm just creating the petals for the flower. Very simple. You can find so many different drawings for flowers and Christmas flowers on Google. Make sure they're royalty free so you are allowed to use them. And I'm just going around the petals, very light on my color. We will always go back to this and add some more color, more texture, but for now we're just making the first layer. Now for my circles, I'm using the exact same color as the red, and I'm just making circles in different places, keeping the composition nice and balanced. And the circles, they don't have to be perfect circles. Nature is not perfect, so don't worry too much about it. The more loose, the better it's gonna look. And this is a stress-free card, so please just get it loose. Make sure you leave some white spaces for highlights. That's where the sun is going to be hitting my circle, and the other side is going to be our darker part. So we're going around adding a few more circles. We're gonna add some to the right hand side. Like I said, we want to keep our balance in our composition. So you have to kind of spread them in different areas so it would look nice to your eyes. And it would kind of drive your eyes around it like a S shape. And that's what you want. So now I'm painting some other petals on this side. They're more like leaves, but I just wanted to add some red to this area also for the composition. So we're gonna add a few on this side, and then for this side we're gonna put the greens. So for greens, I'm using my sap green. I'm also using sap greens with a little bit of carmine yellow. I'm using my sap green with a little bit of Payne's gray, and my sap green with a little bit of ultramarine blue to make like a kind of like a peacock look, more like bluish green. And we want different colors of our green so it looks more natural, more organic, and more appealing to your eyes. So I'm just adding a little bit more leaves on this area, and make sure you place it in different positions, different colors. Sometimes you put the light, sometimes you put the darker ones, sometimes you put the bluish. So just keep the composition very nice and clean. I'm adding some greens on the other side. Like I said, we need some balance, so we're adding some more of the greens near the red ones. And then I'm going back to my flower and I'm gonna add a little bit of a shadow color. So this is just my red with a little bit of Payne's gray. Not too much on Payne's gray because we don't want to make it completely dark. We just want a different level of the same color. Just to give like a shadow and push those leaves to the background and bring the lighter ones to the foreground. So it gives more dimension to the flowers. We're also gonna add some texture by putting the veins on our leaves or the petals. And this is just red with a little bit of pink gray, just a touch, just to make it a little bit darker so it shows on the leaf. And then I'm gonna be using my lightest brown, and I'm just gonna make my stems or branches, and I'm just connecting the dots. That's very simple. Just make some lines to connect those, all of the circles that we made earlier. Like I said, this is a very stress-free card. You can paint with your friends, with your kids, grandkids, anybody. This is a very easy, um, it's for any beginners. It's super easy card. And don't forget that I have an Etsy store. Make sure you check it out. I have a lot of paintings in there. I will be posting some of my Christmas cards that I have been doing lately. And if there is anything that you want and you don't see, please just let me know. Um, Everything is made to order, so I can paint, I can personalize any card. Just let me know what you like and I can make it for you. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Give it a like. When you give it a like, it makes my video pop in so many other places, and it helps for other viewers to watch this video and maybe they could learn something or just paint for fun. So now I'm making my pine trees with the sub green. I'm adding my sub green, our medium green, and my darker green to give more texture to my branches. Then with my micron, I went back and just did some of the leaves. I'm not gonna do every single one because I want to make it look like a illustration. So we're just doing some, not all of them. And also I will be doing some of my circles, just few of those. We're not gonna make every single one. We don't want to put too much heavy color on those, so we're just gonna keep it very light. And I'm just making the shapes of my petals, going around. Just follow the leaves, and also on this side. This is gonna make it look even cuter. And you can also draw some and do not put any paint on it. It will look more like an illustration, and those are really nice too. It depends what you like and what you're planning on doing. I'm circling some of the center of the flower, not all of them, just few. And now with my gold watercolor, I'm gonna make the line. I put my tape, and that's gonna be my ruler, and I'm just going with my brush up and down. Make sure you have a lot of paint and go as much as needed. And before you remove the tape, make sure your paint is completely dry so you don't move your paint around. And if you don't want the border, you can skip this step and you can leave it just the way it was. You can do some splatter if you want. You can use your reds and greens for splatter, or you can use the gold. It will look really nice with the gold. I'm adding some touches with my gold in the center, and pretty much we're done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give it a like, and I will see you on my next one with more Christmas cards. Bye bye, friends.